Injuries are all too common in high school athletes, particularly girls soccer and basketball players. But thanks to sports medicine experts at MU Healthcare, one Missouri soccer player is back on top of her game. Meg Judy has that story.
Leah Metz has played soccer since she could walk. She's a talented midfielder who loves helping her teammates and scoring goals herself.
My teammates are always great, so it's always fun being able to go to practice and somewhere outside of school and like home that I can just have fun and play around.
But during a flag football game in the fall of 2023, Leah suffered a non-contact knee injury.
I remember getting thrown the ball, I turned around and then there was a girl in front of me, so I went to kind of fake her out, and then my leg just gave in.
Leah had seen teammates suffer knee injuries before and thought she'd torn the anterior cruciate ligament, or ACL, in her left knee. The next morning, she went to MU Healthcare's walk-in sports injury clinic. Their sports medicine experts confirmed that diagnosis and found Leah had also torn both menisci after an MRI during that same appointment.
If the ligament's torn, it can kind of shift forward somewhat like that.
Leah's a very high-level soccer player, and female soccer players are at some of the highest risk of sustaining knee injuries, and in particular ACL injuries.
As team doctor for Mizzou women's soccer, Dr. Nully has experience in caring for knee injuries in talented soccer players, from diagnosis and pre-surgical exercises to treatment and rehab.
Knowing that Dr. Nully was the physician who took care of the Mizzou women's soccer team was a real comfort for us. We felt kind of at home. We were in good hands. We were with good people who knew what they were doing.
Leah tore her ACL at the start of November. Dr. Nully surgically repaired it using a section of her quad tendon and both menisci before Thanksgiving. And though she needed a little extra time in recovery to let her menisci heal, she started physical therapy days later.
The Missouri Orthopedic Institute, it's truly a one-stop shop. Leah is the perfect example of that, right? So she saw multiple people who have a lot of experience in general, but certainly with women's soccer players in particular, and she saw all of those people in very short order.
Leah is excited to take the field again with her high school team this spring and continue finding joy in the sport she loves. To learn more about sports medicine care at MU Healthcare, you can just go to the website and go to muhealth.org/sportsmedcare.
For KY3 News, I'm Meg Judy.